Did you recognize that birds are the sole animals aside from humans who can produce human language? Some species or kinds of birds can copy sounds they hear in their environment, and even imitate a couple of words. Crows, myna birds, ravens, and hummingbirds can all copy a number of the sounds they hear. But the birds that are best at imitating human speech are parrots. How do parrots talk? Parrots talk by modifying the air that flows over the syrinx to form sounds. The syrinx is found where the trachea splits into the lungs. Parrots, particularly African greys and members of the Amazon family, are particularly good at imitating human words and sounds. When I consider that a parrot has no lips or teeth, the actual fact that both my greys can imitate the timbre of my husband's voice never fails to amaze me. Why can parrots talk? About half of the bird species sing. They learn these songs from other birds. They can do that due to a neighborhood of their brain called the song system. Inside this song system may be a part called the inner core. The inner core is important, essential, or really important to helping these birds learn how to make sounds. Parrots even have an additional part of the song system called an outer shell. Scientists think the outer shell helps parrots be specialized at copying sounds. But they're not sure exactly how it works. Parrots are social animals, which suggests they need to suit in with the remainder of their friends. In the wild, parrots usually make bird sounds because they're surrounded by other birds. But around humans, parrots often imitate human words because they see their owners as a part of their new family, or flock. They copy human sounds to suit in with their human flock. But parrots are also really smart. Do parrots understand what you're saying? I believe they are doing. For parrots, words may have associations instead of complex meanings. So when your parrot says, "How are you?" it's not your health he's asking about. He associates someone coming into the space thereupon phrase. Within the same way, he'll say, "Goodbye," when he sees you assail a coat. Steve Hartman from the Parrot University states that, understanding human language and having the power to breed it are two entirely different skills. Parrots, a bit like children that are too young to speak, can and do understand plenty of what you're saying.